Hey, Poppy. Hey, Poppy.
I'm gonna get one. Holy!
Damn it! Karen, that's your job to drive
Oh! Oh! He got hit in the face! In the face!
Day is it? What day is it? What? Oh! He biting me! You son of a bitch! He ate the bag and all! Get some! Ah! Here! Get him out! You're scaring Cameron!
Yeah, she's getting a little close there. Now we got it.
He'll get it back. We'll get you another one. Let me get a video of this.
Look, the turkey's chasing the FedEx guy.
Oh my god.
This is going on the internet. Well, I'm gonna leave him here and I gotta go.
Come on. Oh my god, I see it! I see it! It's right next to me! Oh, Jesus Christ!
Focus on him. Yeah, I sit him out.
That was not the smartest idea we've ever had. That thing was trying to fucking eat us.
Shit. What's up, little guy? Oh shit.
It got you!
That's fun.
I'm so glad it wasn't me this time, but I'm sorry. You're bleeding.
It always happens to our family. They're always bleeding.
What was it, Nissan? Oh, well, that's nice.